Hi, this is Dave Foydell with ExpertVillage.com. I'm going to teach you how to multiply your money. This next trick is a trick we all like to do, multiply the money. I have a regular quarter here, and I'll take it and split it into two 50-cent pieces. So I took 25 cents and made them $1. So here's how it works, the multiplying your money. I have 3 coins, 2 half-dollars and a quarter. Now you could use a dime and 2 nickels, if most people don't have half-dollars. But basically, you put the 2 large coins together and grip them in between your thumb and pointer finger with just enough room where you can grab the quarter. Now if you notice from dead on, you really can't see the half-dollars anymore. They're just hidden right behind here. You can turn your hands from side to side. As long as you're pointing them towards the person's eye, they won't be able to see those half-dollars. And I'm going to tilt it here so you can see what happens when I do the trick. As my other hand comes up, and as I hit here, my thumb hits the quarter, pushes it behind, and I separate. Just like that. So here's what it looks like from the front version. I'm going to come up, I'm going to hit this coin to the back, and then come out and separate with the 2 coins. So just one more time there, you're just going to kind of slide this back here as it comes out. And now I put the 2 coins together, really the third one's hidden behind, and I lay them in the palm of my hand. And because those coins are bigger, they hide the little coin underneath. And then as I pick them up, I just turn this hand away and close this hand, holding that extra coin. And then I can show these 2 coins. And that's multiplying your money.